Tell them say we there, I do it and we there. I the Ripper. Tell them say we are the mayor. From Coleraine up in the gully. I feel make the money dark car when I do me. See me team, them are my family.
What's up, OG squad? You know it's your boy Kevin here. I'm here at beach as you can see. Yeah, enjoying the days with my boys, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know one of them birthday today, so you know we have to celebrate his birthday today. Yeah, man, cause you know we still get ways banging and everything. Hope everybody enjoyed the video and continue like, share and comment. And let's just have fun, man. Wait. Okay. Alright, here we go now. So, move the camera caster now. So everybody celebrate. This is one of my friends, you know. You can see right there. That's my bro right here, man. That's my next bro. Yeah. He might go actually take one jump off now, so let me see what he do. Oh shit! Whoa! Oh shoot! Wait, we get it. Wait, why you zoom this up? That camera don't have no manners. It's not zooming up, guys. I'm sorry. How you feel, boy?
Right now, I don't know if you come up.
Alright, so let us see the next jumper. My friend, you cannot jump, okay?
One of my main name flare when I learn to swim and learn to
So, guys, as you don't know,
this is both ways,
I got a good camera, good quality. This is the beach. This is what you call it? Blue wall? Not blue wall. Eh? This is the other side of James Bond Beach. We get in the bad side. Yeah. Over there is James Bond Beach, guys. As I don't know, you can't see the boat them and thing. Yeah. Alright, so we're back now, guys. Here's the birthday, man. You know, we can see ya. Show up yourself, birthday, man. Show up yourself. You can see yourself. Blessings for your earth, sorry, man.
Roll the camera. You see, 6 outside every time.
Yeah, man, you don't know. My brother's birthday today. You see me how we are celebrating birthday and thing. Everybody there, food there, drinks there, everything. And you don't know we have a car for the eggs and everything there, see?
No.
Sorry, man, but you gotta be in the vlog, man. Alright, that's it. Yeah, someone link up with me. Friend from like, long got this. Jesus, that's a big embarrassment. Bought me tour. Ugly Tashda. Say hi to my vlog, man. Yeah. Friend over there, so we don't know your name. But say hello to the vlog, man. Hello. Hey. Yeah. Alright, everybody big up on yourself. Now we're out until we reach back again, see? Yeah, so welcome back, guys. As you know, we're at the beach. You know, birthday boy kinda hiding in the bushes there, so. Yeah, but you know, enjoying the beach right now. Yeah. I'm here meeting up with a long time friend, guys. As I don't know, big her up same way. My friend. There she is, man. Yo. What's a bad sim, now, man? Bros, man, that's my bros. I don't know me now. Me, as I don't know. But I really do the sea thing, you know? Yeah. Well, not now still, cause can't believe I go in and enjoy off back and everything there. But yeah, man, they don't know. Like, subscribe, share, and just continue to enjoy the day with us, you know? Come in, boss a race, man. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm a boss a race now. Yeah, man, everybody are gonna race. Ready? So, you know, we have contestant number 1, Damar, contestant number 2, which is Davian. Alright, watch out. Watch him in teeth. What a man, thief. Oh. How do you feel, bro? Oh. Bro, God. Bro, God. Oh. Oh. That was big up the boss one. Well, guys, as I don't know, just enjoy the day same way. You know me, just in my polo shirt, and my dub shirt. Isn't it? Yeah. So as I don't know, just enjoy the day same way. Just have fun, isn't it? Because I don't know birthday or celebrate. Have more banging videos coming up, so just check it out. It's as you guys know, we're out here. Welcome back, man. Yes, OG. Birthday boy, that's the one. We got the boss for his birthday. Bro, G.
I see how it's champ. I see how it's champ here.
Yeah, so now we have to have on the master every day. The waves then kind of mess up because I'm going to show you because of who. Excuse me. Sorry. Because this girl mess up all the waves, you know? So. Yeah. So, I think I mess up now. So you know we are progressive now. Don't know. Progressive. So just about some snacks and things. No, snack time. This girl almost brought the whole I snack them guys, trust me. So, you know how you go. I don't know. It's out. Girl, G there. Birthday boy.
What's the channel there?
Yeah, man, things up out the window. Yeah, focus. Oh, yeah. Fix up this. Fresh up. Look at that. Some people get food and look at it. Yeah, man. Take up the broad together for the Alright, so let's keep on. Get up to date when I reach the trails. Then home. Alright. Chop chop. Mama phone them, have a WhatsApp. Alright.